Welcome back. For those of you that saw the last video, I bought a sleeper Honda. I say sleeper because it's a total POS. I had a few parts for it. I do have wheels and tires here. I gotta take these guys out of the box. I'm planning on getting them mounted today, as long as the place is open. Today's Sunday. These wheels out of this box real quick so it fits in the car. Let me go get the car. Better than the 18th, that's for sure. Okay, this model doesn't come without stems. Ooh. These are way nicer than I thought they were going to be. I wasn't a fan of like this poke that comes out, but it definitely looks a lot better with the smaller diameter wheel. The 15s, they kind of look hard, I'm not gonna lie. Hard to find places to put parts. I'm not, ooh, that almost fell in the car. That's not good. Find space where you can though. Got a little storage unit right here. I'll go over this later on in the video when I get them mounted, and then go over to Eddie's house and we put them on. But these tires are the R888s, and we went with a 225, 45, 15. And the wheels are a 18 with a 35 offset, I believe. California's getting hot. It was cold and it gets hot. I don't know what it's doing. I'm gonna go over to the local tire shop over here. It's called Olive Tires, I believe. They're supposed to have a pretty good deal. It was like 20, 22 a tire for wheel mount and balance, so that's not too bad. I'm gonna run over there real quick and then we can head over to Eddie's house and get these things put on, see what kind of stance we're gonna get. I made it back to Eddie's house. Got these bad boys out here waiting to go on. These lugs from Amazon, they're like 25 bucks or something. It's supposed to be pretty good. It's better than spending like 50 bucks for the other ones that I got for the STI, so we'll see how these things work out. This thing dropped a lot. You can see it settled in quite a bit, and then I didn't know they had like some double weird fatty fender in the bottom. I don't know what's going on there. That's gonna be a pain in the ass to roll, huh? You're gonna have to like rip off the with that rubber seal. Yeah, what's the point of that? It's weird. I'm gonna start on the front. I think that'll be the easiest, and we'll probably raise it up and then hit the back. The back is definitely gonna have to go a lot higher. The front we might have to raise too. He doesn't think we will, but I think the front's gonna have to come up a little bit. How fast does it leak trans on your floor? They do. Are you guys allowed to be on camera? You can be on. I don't care if they're on. Alright, I got one of the wheels off. We're just checking the threads with the lugs to make sure to screw on. It looks alright. And it looks like the lugs should pair up to these wheels too. Just double check that. So I think we're good to put them on here. We'll see if we can get some good fitting out of these things. Oh. Go. Get it on there.
Hold up.
Oh, you should have left it on, bro.
Why
You're gonna get glue everywhere.
It's alright.
No, you know how sticky those things are?
It's okay.
It's just gonna be all over your driveway.
It's alright.
He's rich.
Look at the car you drive. He's rich.
So the lugs I got from Amazon, it was supposed to be good. I don't know if someone returned it already, but it was missing the key. Now we're gonna go to AutoZone and see if we can't find anything over there. Find some at AutoZone. I found some other beaters that look just the same for $10 more. You can get the Mutekis. Is it called Muteki? Is that a good brand? I don't know.
I have no idea.
About that too.
What, directional?
Yeah.
Directional?
Because they'll be all mixed matched, and then
They look ugly.
the way the water dissipates through them.
Yep.
So I don't know. I don't know if they changed their design. I don't know what the reasoning behind that was.
Fuck these holes.
The other lugs weren't what spline. Had to get some new ones. They sent me the wrong ones, so now I'll go to Amazon and return it.
Fucking Jeff Bezos.
Same thing. I told you it's weird, right? Let's drop it. Let's see.
Whoa, not
That's
bad.
Not too bad.
Not bad.
Damn, she needs to get dumped about it.
Yeah, we can go lower. Let it sit for a second. We take it around the block, see how far it sets anymore. Alright, the fitment looks pretty good on this one. I think we're gonna keep it square. We're just gonna drop it another, I don't even know, like an inch and a half, probably an inch. Pretty sure the rear is gonna rub. Eddie thinks it's not gonna rub. There's no way that it's not gonna rub when we put that wheel on there, dude. told you to
What I've done before, don't get this on video though.
Where's those lugs at? Hold on here. Let's drop this thing. It's recording.
Damn, I'm a cameraman now? Damn. Oh, sitting tough.
Did it hit?
Oh, it hits. But it's sitting tough.
It hits. It's donezo. Oh yeah, it's sitting on it.
Damn.
We're gonna have to. That's exactly like where it needs to be too, just without all that garbage under there. This motor's kind of going out. Eddie says it's misfiring. It was fine when we brought it over here. I expected it to go out eventually, but he wants to do a what was it? We're gonna put something that's pretty unconventional, that it should make a little bit of power, and then eventually we'll turn it up from there. But the first one's gonna be fun. The first build's gonna be nice. I don't know what Honda was thinking when they made all this crazy. This is like the fattest lip I've ever seen under there on Hondas. Added a little bit of contrast. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple decals on there. Car's looking fresh, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's standing out on camera. Last piece of the puzzle here. Oh, talked about strip there, brother. Check it out. Look at this wheel stud they put in there.
Whoa.
Roll it, go.
Oh, I gotta see it first.
Take it around the block. I wanna see it rolling. Just do the cul-de-sac. Two-step it.
Where's the fucking keys?
Two-step it. Right here. This looks that matter.
You don't hear that? The check engine light's flashing. It's misfiring.
It's the looks that matter.
It's misfiring.
I don't hear it.
Sounds like your Subaru.
Yeah, it cambered out. Yeah. It looks cool.
It still rubs the back a little.
Does it?
A little bit.
Wouldn't have to raise a little bit then, yeah? We don't have a choice.
I have to.
Because it's already has a
I'll
little
just
bit.
get a bigger hammer.
It already has a little bit of camber in it too. Yeah, we're gonna have to raise it a little bit.
Oh, put on.
So we had the silver suspension on it. We just put the R888 side. He wanted to go take it down the hill real quick. What? Dude, it sounds like shit.
Yeah, something wrong. Yeah,
Hey, we got the wheels and tires on. The rear's gonna definitely have to come up. So the next video, bring up the rears a little bit, and we're gonna drop the front a tad, and we're also gonna mess with his Integra. He's got new wheels and tires coming with this thing, and he's gonna put some calipers on there so it fits with the new setup. How much do you think this is gonna make? Or capable, I should say.
The stock motor, I don't know, it's like 600.
Yeah, okay. All-wheel drive Integra, capable of 600. It's gonna be a fun time. What are you gonna do to the car?
Nothing.
Little sneak peek of what's to come the next month or so. This is gonna be an exciting car to be in when it's said and done. Don't blow it up.
Oh, it's already there.
You can pull it up. Yeah, that fitment looks really nice. That was a good setup we did. Seeing if this guy can line up to the garage. You're gonna have to go back a little bit. You went a little fast right there. You went a little faster. You got some power in that thing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm finally gonna wrap it up. That's pretty much it. We got the wheels done. Next time is gonna be this guy. Wheels, brakes. We're gonna do the ride height on here and adjust the rear as well. So that would be a good time, good video. Thanks again, Eddie. We're gonna head out. See you on the next one.
So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when